Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw and color a rainbow train super easy and super fun. Let's get started. First, let's draw the front part of the train. We'll start with the train chimney, just like this. Next, draw the control carriage. This is where the train driver sits. Now, let's draw some wheels under the train. Look at how they go round and round. Then, we draw the first train car with 3 little windows. Add 4 wheels under this car, nice and neat. Now let's draw the second and third train cars just like we did before. Repeat the shapes and the wheels. Great job! Do you know what a train whistle sounds like? It goes choo-choo. Can you say it with me? Choo-choo. Let's draw some puffy smoke coming out of the chimney. Then, we'll add stars and a shiny moon in the night sky, so magical. Now I'll use a black marker to trace over our drawing and make it nice and clear. Time to color. Let's bring our rainbow train to life. First, we use red, then yellow, and orange. Add some dark green. Now let's color this part using dark blue. Next is purple. I'm going to use all the colors of the rainbow to color the train's wheels. Follow along with me. Then I use gray for some of the other train wheels. Let's add some dark yellow too. The rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. I'm using these rainbow colors to color the train windows. They look so bright and cheerful. Now let's add some brown, a bit of light purple, and some pretty pink. It's time to color the night sky, so dreamy. I'll use gray for the train smoke puffing into the sky. Amazing work, everyone! You did a fantastic job today. If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more colorful drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye, little artists!